Hello, my fellow oddities. Welcome to a new episode and a new painting. Today, we will be starting our Panther Chameleon. If this is your first time, please remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, go ahead and share. Also, while you're at it, I've got all sorts of stuff available on my website to help support me. And with that out of the way, we're going to get right into today's video. So if this is your first time, first off, I would like to thank you for stopping in at my channel. And second off, I would like to let you know that all reference images are provided free of charge. All you have to do is click on the links below. There is one with the grid and one without the grid. That way you can follow along right along with me. And now, so the first thing I always do is start off with a 2x2 grid drawn onto my canvas. This is a 20x20 stretched canvas. And from there, I just draw on the basic outline of my animal before I start doing my burnt sienna wash. I always use a little bit of hairspray to help seal down the charcoal. I did not use quite nearly enough burnt sienna this time, and it ended up being more of a charcoal wash than a burnt sienna wash. More than anything, I just use it to get the basic shapes and details on there, so that way I have a good fundamental base to go off of. Some color on this bad boy. So for that, I just got out my basic 3 primary colors and decided to mix up my own base colors this time, just considering there was such a variety of different colors. I just thought this would be a little easier than trying to get out 18 different colors and fit them all on my palette, and it ended up working out pretty good. Then after I did the block-in, I will go back through and actually do the background this time. The block-in did not take nearly as long as I thought it would this round. To dial in this background, I just used some phthalo green, raw umber, cadmium yellow, and some Mars black and titanium white. I mostly just use the reference image to get those shades correct. If you look on this area that I'm painting right now, there's a lot more phthalo green into it than there is anything, and then as the other areas fade in, there's a lot more yellow into it. I just really wanted to make sure that it was nice and blurry and creamy and mixed together very well, so I made sure I mixed all these colors together pretty fast and mostly onto the canvas right away. That's gonna do it for this episode. If you've been following along, then you should have something relatively close to this. Our blocking is done and that background is looking good. Please tune in next time and we'll get some more work done on this one. If this is your first time, please remember, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, go ahead and share, and I will see you in the next episode.